Tress to Impress, and I am here with a super impromptu video. So, I got box braids, as you can see, and they're super long, super duper long. I'm actually sitting on the floor in my living room right now watching Netflix, but I don't know what's going on. I'm having some type of allergic reaction, maybe to the edge control that was used. My forehead kind of broke out. You can't really see. Let me see. My forehead is like bumpy. It was worse earlier. I've put some cream on it now. My forehead is bumpy, and my scalp is like just really super duper dry and flaky and itchy, and I don't know what's going on. So I've already done this section of my hair, and what I was doing to refresh my braids is actually working. So I wanted to get on, make a quick video, and share with you guys what I'm doing. So first of all, I use a dry shampoo. Just sprayed it all over my scalp. I got it from Sally's. I don't have it in here on the floor with me, but I can show you a picture of what it looks like at the end of the video. And then next, I'm going through my hair, and I'm just using this small fade brush, super old fade brush that's missing a few bristles, and just dusting over my scalp. And like, even with me hitting the whole braid, she did them so neatly, to the point where it still looks 100%, even with me brushing over it. And I'm just using the rat tail comb to make sure I'm getting everything off the scalp. So boom, just like that. And I'm doing one row of braids at a time. So then after I get that row done, flip it over, and I kind of start on the next row, but it does not have to be complete, because now I'm going to take, this is a product that I saw at Sally's by Cantu Shea Butter, and I have never liked a product that I've tried on braids before. First of all, I never wear braids. Not never, but rarely. This is my my third time having box braids with extensions. So this is a Cantu Shea Butter. It says tea tree and jojoba hair and scalp oil. Helps protect against breakage, condition scalp, and encourages growth. No drip formula. Let me tell you what I like about this. The no drip formula is a super thick, I'm going to show you guys on my hand. It's a super thick product. Look at that. It's not moving. So it almost works to kind of relay my hair. It's not just moisturizing my scalp, because I put coconut oil on my hair before and it didn't do what this product does. So I'm going to show you guys how I use it. Literally putting it in the part of my hair and then moving the product in the direction that my hair should lie. Lie. And then I've already cleaned up between my parts. Let me get this section. So now I'm gonna go here. I don't do well with using the camera as a mirror. Here and here. And move the product just like I'm slicking each box, like with an edge control or something. And look at how nice and neat and shiny. So this is the section I've already done. These braids are a week old already. So that's a section I've done already. And these are knotless, medium knotless braids. So that's a section I've done already. I haven't finished this side. Just to kind of let you see how dry it is. See how you can see dry flakiness around this area. Let me see if I can help you guys to see a little bit better. So I hope you can see that. It's just kind of like dry and flaky and gross. So that's the before. And then I'm doing the same method. I've already used the dry shampoo, but you just spray on. Just spray on your scalp. And that really stopped it from itching. And see, with this soft bristle brush, I can really, anywhere I see flakes or dryness, I am going for it. Because y'all, it was so bad. It was so flaky and so itchy that I thought I was gonna have to take my braids down after only 1 week. Really, like just a few minutes ago, basically, I thought I was gonna have to take my braids down. But your girl is snatched, baby. And what I'm loving is how, even though this is not an edge control, it's getting my hair almost to where it looks like she just did it. So show you guys, because you see how I kind of have like my edges laid on this side but not on this side. So all I did was kind of took my rat tail comb with this product. See, this is not an edge control, it's not a gel, so it's not going to further dry my hair. It feels amazing on my scalp, but it's still laying my hair down because it's thick. Yes. Okay, so the front of my hair looks great. So let you guys see. It looks amazing. And then I'm going to turn around to let you all see the back of my hair so you can kind of see like where I started from with this and get a better idea of how dry it is. Okay. Now to do the back, I probably am going to have to get another mirror and do like a mirror in mirror so I can actually see what's going on in the back. But with all of that said, I am very, very pleased with the results of using my dry shampoo and this Cantu product. I mean, my braids look bomb and I'm a week in. They look great. They are refreshed like the first day that I got them done, and they are no longer itching. It's almost like this stuff works instantly. This is my new holy grail braid product, and this is the dry shampoo that I used, and the itching really subsided when I sprayed this on. I'll put all of the details down in the description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it's helpful for those of you who are all braided up. And if you made it this far in the video, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you comment and rate this video. Please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't find the information helpful. And leave me some comments about what videos you guys want to see next. See you soon.